UAE for say senior minister Osafo Marfo a wosun na Akufo Addo ye da wase because ye knew adidwa gold hu dwa die Ghana ye knew di dwa no 7 billion ye knew di dwa no but omo ba Ghana no 2 billion
5 ne fa he
busa na Akufo Addo ade question na busa me
na me na makobusa
nti a wo busa me say 5 billion no we me president
na me ba UAE for UAE for the chia say what might generate 7 billion through gold trading, right?
Yes. Senior minister, no, me na man is here, senior minister.
And how could for sir?
And two busa say we're here. Me busa
my trust, me busa open the case here.
Etiye for na beti me answer mo.
Hey, call you $5 billion.
Ha! And ya Ghana cedis. Dollars.
Yeah, be asem na okay.
2017 meets the press. Wow. And okay ka sa anyo man. Enti those were the illegalities. And when I say these things now, it has been there.
And yeah, NPP time.
And yeah, NPP time.
Okay.
What you say? And so I'm very sure, sir, because John Mahama news and the time was like if John Mahama part 1.
To the be correct it.
Now wait to me and one said Obia you lose $7 billion 2016 alone. Now we by and Akufo Addo ewie ye no kaka asem na wanya won hwe wanka won hwe yanchi obi antum bibia nsi enti we pa nyansa be pa ne wom se baba be hu se nkrofo nso mo nkrata mu nkrata mu ni kire se
7
ade bia de baka akoto bank ne record
of course
enti adenti na yetimi kasa me de 10,000 akoto bank na afa nkrata ye de ama me ne ye 2,000 because you come bank be catch so de 10,000 and about 2
yeah.
Me ma won krata 2,000.
How is that possible?
How is that possible? So if you want to tally what do you do? And then so you bank
of course.
Bank what say money we transaction 10,000 but receipt or the abram 2,000. Aden.
It is simple.
Simple. It's we president no aba. Now you am pass UAE for say anybody just 7 billion. But you krata mo 2 billion. What do you do? Efa he mo record no he. Den ne ba he. We problem. Yentimi anka won hwehwem 2018 Frimpong Boateng sorry
yeah Professor Frimpong Boateng
and no hwe betina mu ye as a minister for lands and environmental no say say na ye ka we kra de niso every year
na because so
na lose $30 billion into every year na
oh me machine
into yemfem say bia John Mahama 2012 or 2013. Senior you lose ko for time you lose because galamsey pan no shase John Mahama time.
Gidi no.
Gidi pan no. 2011 na shase unity but 2011 e de gidi pan no. E ho na China for ni bam. The first day na nke ye. We ma hohoro
ba shamfai ni bam.
Ba shamfai ni bam a China for ni be gu mu no.
Okay.
Many I remember 2012 for baby. And the year west.
Wow.
And a channel into share from 2012 and when uncle for your investment
you good
into the for 30 billion John Mahama Diankwa 30 billion what the answer same fee 2013 it is 2013 2014 2015 2016
okay for a particular term and as a year
annually when we are losing 30 billion annually
that's you also
Ana inti John Mahama me say galamsey nyoma ne nasefo ne chamfan no John Mahama part 1 and the chassis inti say 4 years ye intimi am block
120
that is 120 billion would the emfa say on the average crown you lose 50 billion
which is more than IMF can you
and now 1 year and you lose 7 billion 1 year 2016 Benito usu bill 2017 obeka say 1 year and you lose u checking so One Professor Kwamu Mesua de was annual catch us a bro. And to the crowd, the young funny say 1 year, 7 billion, the man 30 billion. It is a John Mahama 4 years, no, 7 billion. 4 times 7 years, and 28. 28 billion was lost. And at 2017, Yabeka wants 5 billion, dear no. Okay. And Akufo Addo can 2018, you say every year, $30 billion. 2018 Nana I watched this report ne buy ye FSR 2013 2016 report no and I reported the fact Yoko report 2019-2021. Yoko 2019 to 2021. One and a president.
But you're not Akufo Addo.
And you lose 1.1 billion. 2024, how baby was 2023. Alista. Akwana ya Aljazeera for the. They no kind every month. Now Otiminya $40 million free. I'm not talking about the other things now you lose.
Yeah.
It's on the average, say you lose 30 billion according to Professor Frame because of your authority. It's multiply 30 by even 5. 30 by 5. 150 billion dollars. Makacho say Ghana, ne yeno enya den. Block into gold board na sem no mo kana mo person mo demonizing no. That's all you pay for.
And I also gold board no air addresses are
gold board is addressing it. Now it is not easy for you to go and sell anything. You don't have the right to sell gold to anybody.
And don't mean smuggle.
You cannot.
Okay.
Now gold board is the only entity to gold. NPP for nyoma dwen so musua ade. Na Aremeyaw medical catchiro mu batomunti. Me say NPP o menje ama Patribu ama Collins Adumako
Nana
Kumiamu o mese party na gu no kra na mobo oh na onsa wo hwa just one supporter one candidate
okay and yes sir
on te second nkrofo didi obi atama attack obi
aduchum
onte aduchum onte Kwabena Agyapong onte Brian Bawumia nkrofo nko a yes only ye on say already know home they have not been able to understand what is happening and I had to say what it ya nti se bibi ba my yemfanyina so ni emfanya ni emfan but you see I am a yama Dr. Bawumia maka but I think say no me kind but let me repeat Dr. Bawumia omu say woni munyamu enkrofo na omu ka bi ma no omu say woni munyam
na Kojo so dey infa Dr. Bawumia
no because they are doing all these things in the bit of defending Dr. Bawumia.
I see.
Because all those people, Minia Miracle, Muruka Bori, Nia Dankofwa, Ayo Moba, Ebeata, any Mufu soldiers. In any principalities, in any Cabrichi for such people. Oh, Tessa, Obu Okrana, or Nimo, because when we say miracle, I quite chat to war. I was on so bad no back kabi.
Oksano moyano.
Enti one won some men so say no. My boy Gyamfi taduku. They say me no mo chianyam.
Ene ne ono mo chiam pa.
Enya doctor kase magimi ameka so agimi kura senior me so aboa. We odwan me so ma me na wo me.
Wow.
Sa na me ye no afi.
See ase wo dwan na bodam ni be yi.
Na bodam. My bodam. Enya hwe.
Kwajoba, is it not the point say they rather want to defend their party?
No, it's not about defending. You have to defend your party with facts and figures.
Okay, now let's go into the nitty-gritties of the issue. Issue
Issue say they want to find fault with Sammy Gyamfi.
Gold board.
Okay. They want to find fault say Sammy Gyamfi aton gold aboka.
Is that the case or is that not the case?
I am a phone that can't be and no crane conclusive.
Okay.
What I say? And I'll pick a IMF and I would do a case. But the point is that this gold board has been able to give us over $10 billion.
100 tons.
And then you are saying, say, $200 million be in a boka into say, into yen demonizing. Meanwhile, gold board ne buy no. Say gold board ni hwa. Anka under MPP watch na nkofo hwia. Omu hwia de bia India for ne China for MPP show omu hwia ye no. Komu hwia ko. That is why I am so emotional and mad about this nonsense. It's absolutely nonsense with some of the MPP guys omu ye no. And now Kojo Kyeremanteng kan bi tie no. Very constructive criticisms.
Yeah.
Kojo kasa mitie no because onimnyansa. Okay. You may not like Kojo Kyeremanteng, but I like Kojo Kyeremanteng. Why? Because onimnyansa. And not criticize a constructive. Enti oka alternative na say okay any yentwe ebia bibi say ntia.
Yeah.
What you say? And Kojo issue no kra na wo ka no. He is helping the government. Say Gyamfi ani nhwe ho ne ntimi close.
Okay.
Enti it is not a demonizing system no.
I am passing say boss aka na. They bit my ear, they
bit me ya boa because look, Koko bo the timia bokasa akra yentimi nhwe nkrofo bi. Gold boy by 1 year timia puli 10 billion na 200 million 10 billion. Obi the $90 million a two cathedral yanka once in
Obi for $90 million in two amana.
She see it.
90 million, what I 90 million go to amana.
Na national cathedral who say a dance wo.
And ne born 90 million.
Sa no mo kan first name him say 50 something.
E be that so.
My point is that when you want to demonize gold board for what?
Okay.
Enti ugusu a wo ye no utie o. Akwai to say me. Me a lecturer. I teach my students about good morals. Oh, menye we. Na omubehu se me ye bi. Anase say na me ye bi. E na me ka kire om say ya. What you say? You will not have that strength to criticize.
What person just say NPP for no mo ye bi one time?
NPP time crowd the near West. They were stealing. They were aiding the foreigners to steal.
Hey, asma ka mudu.
Adi asem na make.
Asma ka mudu.
Al Jazeera na se for no ba mutimi dispute here. And I gave you an example when tie de na a Professor Frimpong watching kan.
Yeah. The report in Uganda.
You call report me na me kan. What you say? She ade ba kwa me hu se na naku ehimia enne me mehimia se menya kwanya ko president Mahama ho a e wo se yesa akwahwehwe mu backwards that in 2017 because when it comes to these golden resources that is my area. Sustainability in the area. People don't know. I have researched sustainability for 5 years. And to be being one of sustainability, but from gold minimum. Resources are minimum. Yeah. I know by authority. People have short memories.
2017 this year.
2017. Meet the press. President John Dramani Mahama.
President
Akufo Addo. And now people say the fact galamsey fight in sa illegal inflow ni nasefo. Meaning say carbon busa no nasefo. And now President Nana Akufo Addo car say, Tio, before some born no.
Okay.
Already now I watch report here me say in 2018. I'll come to that.
Okay.
Now between 2013 to 2016,
we
have lost close over 6 billion because of undervaluing and undercutting and underpricing. So obe Switzerland no na ebia omu books me atro $6 billion but abeba Ghana for books na $2 billion. Et omu keka ni nyina bom 2016 alone Honorable Osafo Bediatuo in 2017 no a deputy minister for natural lands and natural resources. Or say 2016 alone Ghana lost close to $7 billion.
Okay.
Tio. Now in 2017 there's a meet the press.
And now the President
Yebusa and said Nasanyo man say. Then the president started lamenting. Lamenting, oh, a hard pa Nansei, senior minister, Osafo Marfo.
Okay.
Oko UAE, Omutia ne pass wa ya de so muni Ghana for di dwedie. Ye ko show
to Kojo na wo ka say president as a senior minister ya Osafo Marfo then oko UAE omo bona baso pa omo chia no say momonu yo wire ade na
wa chia no say UAE for say senior minister Osafo Marfo a wo so Nana Akufo Addo ye da wase because ye ni wadidwa gold hu dwade Ghana ye ni odi dwa no 7 billion ye ni odi dwa no but omo ba Ghana no 2 billion
5 ne fa he
busa Nana Akufo Addo There question I busa me.
Na me na makobusa.
Nti a busa me say 5 billion no we. Me president.
Na me ba UAE for the China say what ma generate 7 billion through gold trading, right?
Yes. Senior minister no me na man is here senior minister.
And na Akufo na here ni sir.
Nti busa me say we here. Me busa
de. Me matrasa me busa pa ni kese here.
Atie for na betimi anse omo ho.
Hey, Kojo $5 billion.
Ha! Enya Ghana cedis. Dollars.
Yeah, be asem na wo kan.
2017 meet the press. Wow. And okay, man. And those were the illegalities. And when I say these things now, it has been there.
And yeah, NPP time.
And NPP time.
Okay.
What you say? And so I'm very sure say because John Mahama news any time no slack if John Mahama part 1.
So they never correct it.
Now wait me and one said Obi you lose $7 billion 2016 alone. Now we by na Akufo Addo ewie ye no kaka asem na wanya won hwe wanka won hwe yanchi obi antum bibia nsi enti we pa nyansa be pa ne wom sen baba be hu sen nkrofo nso mo nkrata mu nkrata mu ni kire se
7
ade bia de baka akoto bank ne record
of course
enti adenti na yetimi kasa me de 10,000 akoto bank na afa nkrata ye de ama me ne ye 2,000 because uko bank be ka che so the 10,000 and about 2
yeah
me ma won krata 2,000
how is that possible
so if you want to tally what do you do and then so the bank
of course
bank what say money we transaction 10,000 but receipt or the abram 2,000 aden and simple it we a president no aba na ya mpasa UAE force anybody just 7 billion but yan krata mo 2 billion what do you do efa he mo recording no he den ne ba he we problem yantimi anka won hwehwem 2018 Frimpong Boateng sorry
yeah Professor Frimpong Boateng
and no hwe betina mu ye as a minister for lands and environmental D&D no say say na ye can we cry the news every year
na because so
near lose $30 billion into every year na
oh me machine
into yan friend say bia John Mahama 2012 or 2013 se ne yusu ye lusu ko fota nya ne lusu because galamsey pa no shase John Mahama time gidigidi pa no 2011 na shase unity but 2011 e de gidi pa no e ho na China for ne bam the first day na nke ye we ma hohoro
ba shamfai
ne bam mu a China for ne be gu mu no
okay
many I remember 2012 for baby and the year west
wow
and a China into share from 2012 and now for your investment
you good
new into the for 30 billion John Mahama Diankwa 30 billion the answer sem free 2013 it is 2013 2014 2015 2016
okay for a particular term and as a year
annually when we are losing 30 billion annually
that's you also
enti sana enti John Mahama me say galamsey nyoma ne nasefo ne chamfine John Mahama part 1 and the shase enti say 4 years ye ntimi am block
120
that is 120 billion wo the emfa say on the average crown you lose 50 billion
which is more than IMF can help
and now 1 year ankwa you lose 7 billion 1 year 2016 benito usu bill 2017 obeka che say 1 year ankwa you lose wo checking so a One Professor Kwaku Annan de was annual obeka cho say ebro and to the crowd the yamfa say 1 year 7 billion wo the man yan 30 billion it is say John Mahama 4 years no 7 billion 4 times 7 years and 28 28 billion was lost and at 2017 yebeka ho asem 5 billion there no na Akufo Addo kan ho hwe 2018 you say every year $30 billion 2018 Nana, I watched this report ne buy FSR 2013-2016 report no. And I reported the fact. Yoko report 2019-2021. Yoko 2019 to 2021. One another president.
But you're not Akufo Addo.
And you lose 1.1 billion. 2024, how baby was 2023. Alesta. Akwa na ya Aljazeera for them. They no kind every month. Na otiminya $40 million free. Ono kwa o. I'm not talking about the other things na you lose no.
Yeah.
It's emphasis on the average say you lose 30 billion according to Professor Frimpong because of your authority. If you multiply 30 by even 5.
Which can get you
30 by 5. 150 billion dollars. Makacho say Ghana ne ye no enya den. Block into gold board na sem no mo kana mo peso mo demonize no na so ye bayfo
And I also gold board no addresses are
Gold board is addressing it. Now it is not easy for you to go and sell anything. You don't have the right to sell gold to anybody.
and don't mean smuggle.
You cannot.
Okay.
Now gold board is the only entity to to gold.
To sell cocoa board.
And to India near but to gold where ho for dollar and bra. And to no sikano. And to be able to export some we hear gold, no. Yes, for to namu sumu disikana and I'm a dollar number system ni moi.
Okay.
And now you can say a bean see that because me and him say Brunya Kure bedrew their dollar no. Now I find say no my economics for say
yeah, the Brunya by dollar I'm say 10.6
10 point. Yeah, me yapa Nancy me transfer me school fees.
Na 11. This
11.6.
40 pesos.
And 40 pesos pay. 40 pesos time.
One CD.
40 pesos time calculate.
Now we can be 400 cedis.
The view 90 say me the worker 400 cedis no. The ono so to 10,000.
And then the view.
4,000. The auto 100,000.
And then the view.
What you say? Aha, 40 pesos 100,000. No me music.
And the view. Hey, Kojo, you think say loss to see our can acha back since 2011, 2012, 2013. Gold board is addressing these losses.
If they had set up a serious entity, na PMMC, Precious Minerals Commission for omune wasn't come addresses anyoma no. Enti no mabe gu PMC omdi nyaye gold board no. Because they were there. Illegalities na ekosu ni nyina PMC. Check those kind of records. Opa read that 30 billion a year no. Opa PMMC na and then when we are putting there measures and whatever. Gold board aba. 1 year.
Less than 1 year. I think 8 months.
Less than 1 year.
Why do you think they are demonizing gold board?
It is because
why do you think? It
is because right now NPP must have something to say because opposition, you know, they say munya bibia anka. Aye me a crane ne ma akrantene ne ma. Yan wi me kunu nsen no.
Kojo, let me ask you this. Are you for or against accountability?
I am for 100% accountability.
Good. And the minority no. Omo pushing all our state entities accountable to Ghanaians.
Minority.
Yes, what is wrong with that?
Minority for push accountability.
What's wrong with that?
And komu be mu see pay accountability nti aka che na Akufo Addo say National Cathedral no. One match say ye nyoma na ekoso.
Kojo unyo.
When they say we pay accountability, come with equity. You understand?
E ka mo so mo boy ni mo meka ho asem.
Nti wo ba na so ba be che say ye pay accountability no kra no. Ya tra komana na Akufo Addo ne Ken Ofori Atta mu say omu nkyere ye kwan ya omu jai bra ne ye bre na DDEP
Bank of Ghana boka
ye pesika na ye de $90 million akotu amna.
Bank of Ghana boka we boka.
Listen. I don't have a problem when you want to demand accountability.
Yes.
But you see, we want an accountability fair.
Exactly. Yeah.
And justified.
Premise on fairness, yeah.
Right now, all of a sudden, gold board scandal. Mono kabori muni you know.
And fly.
And let me say, Oma, me kate say, a kabriche ni abeyidom. Oma kesia.
But gold board may have exceeded their targets, reaching 100 tons, generating $10 billion.
Yeah.
But if in this request, make losses through operation to the tune of $240 million, then we should find a way around it and then curtail that going forward.
But that is good. I'm saying, sir, will be a friendly waste. But if you look at the revenue,
okay,
even the banks have bad debt.
Yeah.
Banks no write off certain bad debt. I am here in 2024. Addison, the crop for near lose 60 billion. Bank of Ghana. Wamaya Moka.
I said Nameka.
Wamaya Moka.
60 billion.
Over here. You see, and I'm a accountability. Now, so I can't say, yeah, Bank of Ghana, ya son of Komu. You see, the MPP frontier CNSA. Right now, people are more learned and people will fact check you.
Okay. Don't mean your propaganda.
Don't mean your propaganda and I'm crying so siadie. And crying abano. Yeah, was school, yeah, lecture cram on my brain.
I'm to be corrected.
And so they're able to know, say, where the old boy and I say we don't work. They are smart people.
Typical example, and Omoko Puli, yes, a Bow Rock be na good board the day contract be mano. Na Bow Rock no established in February 2025. Omoko Puli document be a bar. I'm on for verify you. Document that say you incorporated our business in 2015. Yeah, our business get so many people go the mother.
They say Omun cannot create. Now you see, trying to find faults now who ye because I'm not sure say it is convincing people to vote for NPP.
How?
Nothing. I have never seen so far on social media, see a monitor algorithms. Nobody so far or 2 years or year part of 57%. No. And there be an anwaka say the MPP are Mesa to MPP.
But the NDC cannot be in power forever. So
it cannot. But I'm just saying, be constructive.
Okay.
Because the more you are trying to find fault,
the more now
who he. The entire ye mu bi ye betimi aka nyoma ne say na no ye kan.
Yeah.
It is a me na na janto e ka me mfa ho. Na say o mu di gu me so sharaf ne wa me ka ma say me fa ho. I don't care. Yeah. Why? Because na no me kan and then metimi aka o chena metimi aka.
Second no for.
I don't care whether you tag me NDC or MPP. I don't care. NDC for tag me depending on the issue. MPP wait I am normal. But I'm saying say na no minia moro kabori mune miracle abuajimu. Yenya no munki kabinchi obia obek mene miracle abwaje ye share our platform so that they know ye na e was empa
go for that time demand accountability they na omo ba after you say be MPP time would demand accountability yenye say ya and then it press conference here be accountability
on set omunye strategic. There are a lot of faults under this government. But why are him they are correcting it. Oh yes, strategic.
So why he good one
now so into ononunya platform now
yeah.
You have to check the mood.
Yeah,
the mood of the country is for NDC.
Yeah, for Mahama.
And for Mahama.
They enjoy unprecedented, goodwill.
Exactly. It been intense. Akufo Addo by 2018, 17, and one shall say
yeah.
None in your be no yen, I'm in a hurry. 110 minutes, I'm in a hurry. So okay.
Yeah.
Albert to Yampia 2018. Near Busan side into what ya once I'm catch or ya 1 year. No kai. People are complaining about 110 minutes. Yes, it is because I'm in a hurry. A hand time there. Tintin Trinity.
Could you come into post to?
Yes.
And then the informal post on no Facebook.
I posted it because I wanted to expose the hypocrisy of Ghana and the NPP who could have solved a certain problem. Because you had a fine case to even prosecute John Mahama.
But according to iWatch publication, I think May 2018,
yeah,
it was clear in the story, and as in the document, the losses occurred between 2013 and 2016.
Yeah. Yes.
And you MPP time.
No, but I shared a fact.
Yeah, that's true. That's 100% true, and I agree with you.
I shared a fact.
Oh, my share a fact. Oh, now person who did this, I could read it. I don't care.
As simple as
exactly. I didn't even understand why they were coming after you.
I mean, because then you say I am lying. I'm lying for sharing a fact.
How?
If you say I am lying, I'm lying because I have shared a fact. A fact that I did not say we lost 6 billion. NPP was the cause.
No, that's not what you said.
I shared an exact, and I will pick it, the same headline, and now the Kotubi man.
In your story,
in details. So I only quoted the headline of the story and the source of the story. Social post no krana. I had also shared from 2011 to 2017 how we have devalued or undervalued our natural resources.
Monitoring.
So why don't you use that? If the case was that I am doing that against MPP, I shared 2011 to 2017.
2011 NDC.
And so why didn't you use that post to make a case? If indeed, but you see, that's what I'm saying. It was like, on say the post no hard again. Akwa the dear crying because nana janto wakasa or hard again. And Uncle Foya na me means treaty.
Oh, but I mean that for me that was not smart.
They have not been smart.
No, that for me, you see, maybe they don't really understand your job now. You know, Charlie, journalists are posting idea for engagement on social media or post headline. You could have politely asked. Hello? You could have politely asked, say, "Oh, Nana Jantua, where the headline what we do and a headline will be posted." But where the comments so obenya details now, my uncle, appreciate the full context of what you wanted to put across. Yeah. Politely, you could have asked that.
Yeah.
Nobody should try and discourage Jantua from posting stuff. He didn't post anything non-factual. It was factual. And I'll attach the date of the publication.
Yeah.
Ubi story na date na show was where you post no one publication.
I was thinking saying NPP for no ebia.
Because no credit.
And can ebia I watch report in ebia 2015 ebia me dey about 2018. Then you have a case.
Almost now misleading you.
How am I misleading when you choose and pick? Because I've shared consistent posts about how we are losing a lot. I have shared a lot of posts
from 2011.
And all of them I quote. I don't add mine.
Yeah.
I quote. I don't add mine. I was expecting, say, put all of them. Neka say, oh, Sano or the post we nkwa ne to ho ana. Na ene mpomi the post ne nkwa ne to ho. Na man cashier. Because it's a winning, I could tell him new rent, no.
What jama?
What click to say, I am lying. And I'm a busa, I say, what a lying, I say. What is lying about what I've shared?
You shared facts.
I shared facts.
They're just saying intro.
And a man can be there.
Debbie.
And even the import, no can say, I wrote an article around, was it 2017, 2018, or baby? I'll share the article with you so that one man call for them. And I wrote, say, Ghana must applaud Akufo Addo for turning our water into Milo.
Hey.
Yes.
Through galamsey.
Through galamsey. Don't hear any sugar. It's a true article, no. And I may add this. So in the article, no, dear me say, you know, I me share at that time. Why did I share that article? I reminded the president to say, these are monies are air drainy. I won't quite so over here. I had always been mad about that 3 billion. Because anytime I not $3 billion in Bebano, I go back to remind the president and NPP guys, say, look, we have the money here, close it, and you can get the money. You didn't do. Gold board, yeah. What you want to work him? We will defend gold board. Hey, I don't care what people say.
Almost small boy in Sammy Gyamfi now.
And yes, me small boy, and no, otchere.
Back when no munti.
There be some small boy and Sammy Gyamfi. Na said they know ye PMMC no. Ono so ye small boy. The guy, so I've forgotten the name. They know ye PMMC. Or ye Ken West guy. What is say you?
Sammy Gyamfi mo.
Me so me guy no. Or respect me.
Yeah.
And what are we talking about? Both MPP and DC no. Sabi.
You are not defending gold board because of it.
I am defending Ghana. I am defending the fact that we have a caring and a wisest president.
Hey.
Why ye na adwene say odinyan sabe bu o man na hu say ye gold ni drain intimi the gold board bi abana gold no masili na metimi puli kakra ba wo so wonpe eti enya mu sa na mu nis e dey nkwasasem no
o ko nya botre nya botre
but so munya sansem nu no ani abre e dey nsem nu no gold board na ama no na mu wia mo ne mo nkrofo ya ne China ne India fo one thing says Sammy Gyamfi di India for me. Okay, say no matter ha. That was what they were doing.
Okay.
Che, my main country when early days, no. What do I say? Early days, no. Na MP time na buy e besisa no.
Okay.
I think say December be this time be oh baby. Na me kwa Accra. At that time na me kwa Accra. You know what happened? Na nkrofo bi aswa gold.
Eswomo.
Omo the gold no afa airport. Hey. It is somebody na ma tip off. The people who are the me person me bo mu di. Mpanifo bi ana me ne omo ko. Ene e mo mu tifo ye kotium na so say, honorable. Nkofo we mu bag ni gold nko an wo mu sa. Hey. Say the bi omu di fam. And the MPP time. And come met me their fam. Yen pese be cancel. Enti e ho. Ena calls pa.
Ye chiwomo.
Enti omu dru airport, ye dru Accra airport na no. Na
ya chiwomo. That's why. Wow.
Sada na I think say ade e be chia me aye you know.
Dr. Bawumia
inauguration no.
Oh okay.
John Mahama inauguration.
Oh, okay.
I think before then no. Hey. You see na soldiers. It's soldiers ni na me agina ye. Enti panyina me ne ye you know. E no ma direction na no nka se yenko. Pa eno mo so ankofo battery gold nkwa
my yo
gold nkwa na ye do mo ko room fufuo bi. So how do you send gold? Why na nehe? Ye wo kwa airport kra na ukuta one kra na ye say gold betimi atwam obi ahu. and your mama say jo mahama nakoma ye nakoma eye and your ma akoso no as say nyame aya dum de gold board ni ceiling nyoma no uye nipa na wodwuno man ho abebo mpaya amasa Gyamfi
na Kojo say ugitum say abanada no niam ba ko mi because oye bone a say aban we so otimi
somebody solving it or the 1 year na jo mahama kra de no kra ne predict say bia be after 2026 no be ya deal me I wasn't expecting anything who be out.
Hey sir.
Yes. Based on this same therefore IMF projections. IMF from Jimmy Franco.
Oh, Kojo ah,
I don't go say
how they make from David. Ah, Kojo.
From crash some Franco.
IMF massa Ghana yen.
Omo ya hwan?
Yen share economy so omo share you.
With IMF yen survive here.
Massa.
Yen tu omo sika mo.
Yen nya man panyin for man bu o man ni. Omo de
come IMF bu amamu no.
Basa IMF ka ho.
IMF dey.
IMF.
Debi. Debi.
Ameto.
Oye na dwuma. IMF ye duo mati kran ka enyeska. IMF omo nyansa be nom de ma for gold board. Ebenya IMF na nka de bia ye pa acho. Omo for ma sem nso anko.
Na hu ya na ye.
Why? Na Akufo Addo ne koso ye ne na aban. Obi anko so.
President Mama send the first time kwa IMF.
Ne de no look at how decent it was. What say ye katika obi DDEP.
Okay.
President Mahamadu no te say ye katika obi. President Mahamadu just one tranche.
Anti haircut.
Onya one tranche pe. We mu ne benya second and third tranche. When ya second and third tranche am ya kwa IMF asa nya ni nyina bia sa adwuma.
Twa ya mele.
Oh, about how do you compare this one to John Mahama time? The Ben Awuti DDEP apart omu bro from so akakraka. And IMF one ni ndini na se for IMF one pay asem. O man bia wo the IMF eyi Burkina Faso ni na busianfo no. IMF for ewo ho. Are they not surviving?
Interesting conversation, Kojo.
Wait, with $10 billion, they not to me. If 3 billion to me say na yetimi plug ya na nyame ya adom, yetimi di bi keke ka ho a. What are we talking about? Jo Mahama ya de, masa.
So gold board has come to stay.
Gold board will defend gold board. It will defend it to the level said they will not even come to power in the next few years.
Any MPP for a month chama akra.
Na me for mu ben.
Do you must lazy on social media?
Me. Now when it here. Media na me hu da. I no mu nim nipa no mu ni deal.
But at the end, me na me catch you be say if me best make use a word no. Say me nka so mu ndwene hu kwa kira na. I think some years are more popular.
They don't know.
Because so new station come start to link it. Say
NDC
30 million abe establish new station.
And then I also who the kind of people I not do mechi.
How?
The person now I himfie ne dia no. Politics kran ni nyo. NDC ni NPP kran ni nyo ne bo
say be a politician be na hihase.
The politician can never go.
The new station any politician be na.
And me say Jimmy so obedwene say me politician. Now let me tell you. There were political parties, party media houses that they wanted me. I said no. They know.
Yeah, the last time you said it, yeah.
They know. I didn't go. Some affiliated to NDC, some affiliated to NPP. But I said no. Me kwa menye sika. But I don't want to be like sa NDC for ayo and NPP ayo me kwa. And this is a pure businessman oye na djuma.
Kojo jam no munya sare ba say station.
Oh, me ti ase nti aye. Say NDC and a year because they say no 57% and atuama NDC. So if I have 57% supporting me, I'm in
57.
Yes.
I say next election 57.
Oh, 57. I call 54. I say yeah.
So you're not worried they are bringing
I am
in.
okay
they are
with
drawing
that.
in
I am upon dear that's
yeah.
What they are saying, some NPP for the Miami, so I know how to press their neck.
Yeah.
No, me press so me
because just last week, I don't know over 1,000 comments, and that's the same thing.
Me you musa kopim say
because I you're sorry, and Kwaku Annan still
na me dear me madam sorry I'm sorry. Omo mu nim me na no mu nim say bia omu ni akra bi na edi nkomo. Me yes stubborn from 21 wan come my ban cry was so me mentimi mo antimi me mo aban
na mo free so
mo aban yo de mo ka sem be ye nyina no na me kaka kra bi na mo su e na mo ntwa ma ahimfie mra
e we ko social media keke o
e we keke mo ntwa ma ahimfie mra na TV asa be ka
omo say so we fair gira ndisi so they just say in fact ba akukwa bo say adna party opposition na wo gira
me gira mo so sa because mo hunyansa ye jiro mo so am mo hunyansa because party no yakoma wo party nye say na Akufo ye no my support ye party no was ye party ni so time ye be ka bia ma NPP no ene say Akufo bi afiri system ni mu
na sa chayaba
anena ye be ka say yes yaba because me like I always say party amato ama no wo me ni theme no it's NPP
yeah that will be changed on to my John Mahamadu
me nim NDC what you say me to my NDC da me to my party bia MPP enti e dey nsimhunu na aka but to
I don't know but you see our friends need to come to the realization that things have changed.
They will not come.
Our party no you see Kwajo ye nyini no che o dey say o dey also wonyi down to asem kran tumu. Listen to the statement from party stalwarts nana even the former president Kojo Kyeremanteng bekasa asem okan party no empanyifo party nkwana nsen some omokafa party no je wasa mojitum say things have changed and dem asesa Dr. Richard Annan dey asem na nzo America even former president Kojo Annan dey asem no America did you know what say catch them first party na enya sa na tio but they say wasa mojitum say dem asesa did you ntina obi criticize party ni bia na mo attack ni pan say dey or ye party ni tamfo bi say especially when it is down to akroya mudina dey bia me kan and some of kan nyina mo amkoye mo dey ben dey be report amkoye say into the 2024 defeat no most of the things down to us said no mo capture no mo report him it have what is the fuss about
no problem no
mo nyin tum say party ni asesa na mo nya so obi a criticize party na mudina
it is because just few people be na hijack party no the ye papa na Akufo Addo ye no eno few people na no mpeso mu control party no oti ase entinam say entinam ma make us Dr. Bawumia ho ye hi no anka wono nkotini baby on dey was obey flag bearer or no obi ani asem but ne nkrofo ni bia ye te say chinchine twan eno mo anu mu kasa nya de oti ase aha because you see make us say you are insulting me because I've shared an opinion.
No, we share fact, but I have opinion. They share no fact.
I'm just talking about general.
Okay, you're making a general.
Then you come and attack me. Who attacking me? Who be a me ba way in this one? We should then need following the
Debbie. Who are following? Who janto our double platform? Our platform, you know, social media presence.
And she say, "What's a woman make 3 months on? Why the best of her?"
And I also we influence the Katia across. So who did Gen Z for through the digital space now? Traditionally, when you follow muti radio pan, almost at you, and to influence the Katia across. If I were them, a honor come at junior foul. So that be man, you is in the year, careful. We should depend before no casa be manity consistently. And nobody can dispute the fact, say, you have not contributed to the state of the NPP now. Who say a human away in the last 4 years no? Fair journalism now we are. I think of any Asante regime power. Whether people like it or not, what Jantua did, I enlighten Akufo. Now people are able to put away the NPP lenses and analyze issues with fair mind. Yes, say high stronghold, but Jantua say bridge biabu, a kwame say, and I say, no what so. So, it me that's why also the party people, those who matter, omo some respect and recognition, omo ba say
omo Jimmy was social media see. There who kwama no.
There be onu din komo.
Oni me din komo.
Party mpanyin for me omo ba office ami hu.
Enti di enti na wo to wa te se wo ya ma hwan. Because wo pesika dia, ene o party nkrofo na mam ska o. Enti wa Jimmy.
Wa party me na.
Da bia na me ka se me wonamfo wa MPP mo ye mpanyifo.
O si koka kwa abo ama to school fees.
Na se koka wa boa me school fees nyina no oboa me.
Na o MPP panyi pa.
Na o MPP panyi. Na koka bu me.
Yeah.
Na me ka se ma koka betam phone no ne me di nkomo.
Yeah.
Enti na da bia me support nso onye chairman no.
Na o mo chairman wuntu we dey no one kan fa ho. Chairman wuntu me se janto aka no kre. O ka sa na line na no yema.
Chairman wuntu me ni di nkomo.
O se janto aka no kre, you can criticize him. Chairman wuntu asa na me kan, original chairman. Yeah, chairman, chairman.
Penebo momo.
Me di kan. Chairman wuntu. Or the microphone any pam. Not to janto aka no kre. You can criticize me. I've been in your studio so many times. Janto aka no kre. As much chairman wuntu me kan no.
Because chairman wuntu me enim. Enti chairman wuntu me when this Bawumia issue ne buy no. And then I make kanwa. He had to call chairman wuntu me. So chairman wuntu me had to call me.
Wow.
at that certain time any mpanyinfo bi including minia oheneba and some calls bi ni mpanyinfo bi. So I had to miss Mate because Dr. Bawumia respects me. So sometimes he's worried about the fact that the microphone be attacking me. No? Because he knows that he's hearing the thing that is going to help him.
From you?
Yes. Dr. Bawumia, anytime I speak, he wants to listen because he feels that Sanyo Mano onte
Mekaya
onte banana into Dr. Bawumia, and I respect Dr. Bawumia so much. And I wish he's because Owa Kumapa.
But I watch him to a victim of circumstance.
Yeah, Dr. Bawumia wa Kumapo. Na Owusubani to say John Mahama. Dr. Bawumia. So Bena, our sad. Also, nothing region ayatiti ni no. Obunipa.
Wabadaye.
Or Wabadaye. Sasuba no.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, no. Wabedran cran nimu na wadini nkotwitwiri nkofo bi na nkofo no ho aye hina. Unfortunately, those are the people we be omuska.
No more supporting.
I know more. And for me, NPP for me, say,
Kame, what the cabichum to a muffle.
Mean two for. Mean two NPP for. Debbie. I was so meaning to a monk. Debbie. I've told you. I say, why need two NPP need for obeti?
Oh, come betty. Let's say, won't want a warm attention. Unimiza. Obodo, Kwaju, Bugon, Kwana, warm attention, can be on respond, they reply.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.